guys, meet me again in Nosware. In this tutorial, we will show you how to block modem with Mikrotik Router. How to do that? Let's see this video. In here, I have IP address in modem 192.162.1.1 and runs smoothly in my web browser. Now, I also try to ping my IP modem using command prompt. Let's see it's repeat from or request timeout. Okay, it's repeat from, so we can connect it using our local computer and modem. Now let's block this connection using Mikrotik routers. Open IP address, click firewall, and in the filter rules, please add signs, and in the general, we can add chain in forward, and destination address is our IP address in modem. And protocol, choose TCP, and port select 80 because we don't need the user to open in browser. Okay, for action select drop, don't forget to apply and click OK. And in number second, please add rules again. In the general, chain still forward, and destination address is still our modem IP. And then in protocol, we choose ECMP. In action tab, select drop. This will drop package from ping by local computer or user. Now, that's all. Let's try to open again our modem or ping first. Okay, this is request timeout. So, we are successfully to block our modem from local computers. When I reload my modem, it's infinite load. That means user can't open our modem via web browser. To certain if this rule works, I try to disable this rule and see if I disable rules, we will connect again in our modem. Let's wait. Okay, now repeat from. So we connect again because we disable the rules. Let's try to enable the rule again, and it will block our connection again. It must request timeout now. Okay, so our firewall works because we can ping our IP modem in here. And if we try to reload our web browser, it's infinite load. So our firewall to block modem using Mikrotik is run smoothly or works 100%. In the next video, I will show you how to block modem but allow in specific IP address. So it just can open via your computers, not the others. Thank you.